This is hopeless. My sales are slipping away. Woo!
That shopper will never see us down here.
Yes, just walked right by.
We're all washed up.
But I've got kids to take care of. If someone doesn't buy me soon, I'm throwing in the towel.
What do we do?
Hey, I got it. Let's ask Dad. He's been down here forever.
Yeah, he'll know what to do. Let's go. There he is.
Hey, Dad.
Well, you made it out of the lab.
Yeah, and we want to scan out of here.
How do we get off the bottom shelf?
The shoppers can't see us. Can you help?
You know, kids, I've been down here a long time. I never made it to the big time because I wasn't shelf right. But I've learned a thing or two about how to become a success.
You gotta tell us what to do.
Please, please, please?
Well, I've noticed that the baby care products that really sell well make themselves highly visible next to their market leaders. They stay away from that private label, and to make sure that they get their fair share of the shelf, they segment.
Segment? What segment?
Segmenting means that you're shelved with your own product group to catch a shopper's eye.
You mean we go with all the other wipes?
I go with the cornstarch.
And I'm with the talcum segment.
That's right.
But how do we get off the bottom shelf?
Yeah, how do we get up there?
Why, that's the easiest part. You've got the power.
The power?
What's the power?
It's the power of the Suave franchise, the power of a family that cares.
But how do we get it?
All you have to do is feel it. It's inside each and every one of you.
Boy, oh boy, you're right. I can feel it. Look at me, guys. I'm flying.
Hey, you've got it. Let the power lift you.
I'm next.
Hey, wait for me.
Yahoo! Truly amazing.
That's it. Now, keep going.
I've got the power.
Me too.
Come on, Senate, let's get off this shelf.
I'm right behind you. But what do we do now?
It's too crowded.
Get next to your key competitor, but stay away from that private label.
But how do we know our key competitor?
Who's the market leader?
You've got to use the power. Focus on your competitor's market share. That'll show you who the market leaders are.
Let's see. There's a lot of Huggies wipes around here. I guess they're the market leader.
They're okay for new guys, but the power is telling me that Baby Fresh is the #1 brand with a unit share of 27%. Ooh, we gotta get next to those guys.
Move over, Fresh. We're coming in. Whoa!
Way to go, Wipes. Okay, you're up next, Beth.
The market leader at Baby Bath is Baby Magic. And I don't think that market share of 53% is all smoke and mirrors. That's the one I'm moving next to.
Slip on in there, Oil.
The leading brand in baby oil is Johnson & Johnson with a slick 31% unit share. I'm sliding in right next to you guys. Whoa!
Go get 'em, Powders.
The leader in my segment is also Johnson & Johnson. And using the power, I've calculated that they have a 60% unit share. Move over, Mr. Johnson.
Well, now the boys at J&J have the cornstarch market cornered with that 60% share. Look out, boys. I'm a-coming in. Yee-hoo!
Take care of 'em, Lotions.
Let's see. The leader in lotions is Johnson & Johnson with a 47% unit share. Oh, I want to rub shoulders with them. Here I come.
All right, shampoos, you're the last ones to go.
Right here, Dad. Johnson & Johnson is cleaning up the baby shampoo market with a unit share of 51%. That's where we're going, sis.
Hey, Dad, come up and join us.
I'm sorry, I can't, kids. My time has come. I've been discontinued. It's time for you to lead the family in the baby care aisle now, and it's time for me to rinse off to that big bathtub in the sky.
But Dad, what do we do without you?
Yeah, Dad. Don't go.
Now, kids. Remember, no tears. Don't worry about me. I'll be just fine. And all of you will be successes in the baby care aisle if you'll remember what I taught you. Be highly visible, be in the right spot next to the market leaders, stay away from that private label, and always segment. But above all, don't forget to use the power!
We'll make you proud, Dad.
Come on, sis. Let's power onto that shelf.
Libby, look. I didn't know Suave made baby products. That's a great price.
Not quite
Let's see.
fast.
Want to hold this? Should we try this? That smells great. You want some baby bath? Some shampoo? It's a great price, huh? Smells good. Okay, we'll put that right over there.
Mommy, open.
We got the right one, baby. Uh-huh.